Hi, Ms. Smith again here. Thanks for joining me for the third test review video. In this video, we're going to go over problems number 9 and 10, and you are not required to do number 11 or number 12. Okay, so starting with number 9, we can go ahead and get our sheet up here if we want to. There's nothing to distribute in this problem, but are there some like terms that we should collect? Yeah, absolutely. Let's look at this. We have negative 15 plus 3. We can totally simplify that. Let's do it. So negative 15 plus 3 gives us negative 12. All right, now on the other side, is there anything to simplify? Looks like we have negative 9 minus 24. So we need to simplify those together, and we're going to get negative 33. And we still have the 4 over 5x. Okay, so step 2 is check. Now variables on one side. We already have all the x's on one side, so we don't have to worry about that. Constants on the other side? Okay, it looks like we have a constant here and a constant here. We want both of them away from the x, so let's get rid of that 33. We're going to get rid of it by adding 33, because that way those will go to 0 and be gone. Now negative 12 plus 33, let's do 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is 21. Positive 21 equals 4 over 5x. Now all we have to do is get rid of that 4 over 5 and we'll have the x by itself, which is what we want. The first thing I'm going to do is get rid of that 5 that's in the basement there. We're going to get rid of it by multiplying on both sides, of course. So these are going to cancel, and then 5 times 21 is going to give us 105. Now once we have that, we just have to get rid of the 4. So we're going to divide by 4 on both sides. And we're actually going to get 26.25. Now the first time I worked this, I thought, it's a decimal, I must be wrong. So I grabbed my calculator and I plugged it all back in, and you know what? It's right. Let me go ahead and show you how to check that, okay? Just so that you know. So negative 15 plus 3, looks like it's negative 12 on one side. So you can kind of make yourself a little note, negative 12. Now on the other side, we have negative 9 plus 4 over 5 times x. Now we said x was 26.25. And then we're going to do minus 24. And then you get negative 12 for this side. And now if you've gotten the same side for the same number for both sides, you know you have the right answer. So even though it looks a little funny, 26.25 is a correct answer. Let's go on to the next problem. So over here on number 10, first of all, anything to distribute? Nope. Any like terms? Yes, there are like terms. Looks like we need to combine the 16 and the negative 10. So let's just bring down the negative 3 over 2x. And now 16 minus 10 is going to give us 6. Okay. Variables on one side. Looks like there's only an x on the left, so we're good with that one. Constants on the other side. All right, let's move that 6 over that way. So subtract it from here. And that's going to go to 0. You have negative 3 over 2x equals negative 21. All right, and now we just have to get rid of this negative 3 over 2. So I want you to kind of decide whether that negative is on the top number or the bottom number. And either way works, but you have to choose. It can't be on both. Right now I'm going to say it's on that top number. I'm going to kind of scribble it there. Now that I have a positive 2 on bottom, I know that I can multiply both sides times 2 to get rid of that 2. So those will cancel and go to 1, and I'm left with the negative 3x equals negative 21 times 2, that's negative 42. Okay, and now I'm going to divide through by what's left, which is negative 3. Negative 3, and then x is going to equal 14. And that is your final answer there. Like I said, you don't have to do 11 and 12, but if you'd like to view the word problems, just check out the next video. Bye!